Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So today we're going to have a look at the 2004 platypus, so 20 cent big head. And the funny thing is, while there's two different varieties of 2004 20 cent coin, and I'll show you the differences at the moment. But in a moment, but as I was going through looking for a I keep 2004 big heads because they're special, and I'll tell you the reasons why in a moment. But as I was going through looking for examples of 2004 small heads, which are the more common of the two coins, I found an extra big head, which was nice. So I'll bring the two coins up closer so you can see them. Now, if you look at both of them there, you can see there that there is a gap between the actual wording, so Elizabeth and Australia, and the edge of the coin on the right hand coin. Now, the coin on the left is technically the big head coin, and the writing is closer to the edge of the coin. Now, this is the coin to try and find. But I'll tell you something interesting about this particular coin. So this one, they predict that there is somewhere around the 400,000 of these that were put into circulation, which you would think, wow, that's a low mintage coin. But the problem is that they're they're easy to find in good grade, and the reason why they're easy to find in good grade is because they were put into mint sets. So the 2004 mint set has a big head coin. Now, so then we've got the other one, which is the small head, which I should have looked up the mintage, but obviously a lot more than 400,000, and many millions of them were put into circulation, and they're a common coin to find. Now, because of the fact that these ones here aren't in the mint sets, they're actually harder to find in high grades. So I just want to have another closer look now. It looks pretty obvious there that there's a big difference between the two coins. Now, there's another difference, and if I bring the two coins together and we zoom in on the lettering, and in particular, look at the A's. So on the small head, try and keep it in focus there. I'll hold it on an angle that you can see it clearly. But the one closest to us is the small head, and the one further away is the large head. Now, the A on the small head has a flat top on it, while the A on the big head has a point. Okay, so if I flip them over, we can see there the A in Australia. All of those A's all have a flat top, and the big head on the front now all have points. Okay, so I keep every big head I can find, because I think they do sell, and normally you can sell them for at least $1 or $2. So well worth holding on to in any sort of condition, because they are a low mintage variety of coin. It's not an error, but so I don't have a mint set. This one here might be a little bit easier to see. It's not so glary. So you can see the flat tops. Okay, there we go. You can see the flat top on the A's. And if I can quickly grab this coin, this is the one I just found. You can see the points. So a fair difference in those coins. Alright, so now I just wanted to show you the proof set, because the proof set, I got this one fairly cheap, and I'll show you the reason why I got it so cheap. What I love about this set is the holographic $1 coin. Now hopefully you can see there the colors going through that coin as I hold it at different light angles. So this is a proof set, and there we have the 20-cent coin. There's the whole set right there. And if I flip it over, this is the reason why I got this one cheap. It's because of the toning on the $1 coin. You can see that there. Now, this is fairly common with this particular set. You have a look at some of the sets on eBay. You'll see that exact situation. So let's concentrate on the 20-cent coin here. We can see there that the coin is the big head version. So if I bring up and just hold that there, and that's the small head version. So you can see the distance between the two. So keep an eye out for both varieties in high grade and even in the lower grade of the big head. But yeah, I thought I've spoken about it quite a few times, but I've never actually done a video individually on the coin. So it looks like there's a bit of toning going on that 5-cent coin as well. But yeah, I managed to get this one nice and cheap, so I don't mind. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I look forward to bringing another video to you soon.